Looking for something rich, festive, and unforgettable? Let's make a creamy dried date and nut dessert that's perfect for special occasions or cozy nights in. Welcome back to Halal Homestyle. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need: 1 kilogram of dried dates soaked and blended into a smooth paste, 2 tablespoons each of poppy seed paste, raisin paste, cashew nut paste, and peanut paste, 2 liters of whole milk, 350 grams of condensed milk, a mix of chopped nuts and dried fruits, cashew nut, pistachios, peanuts, raisins, and date pieces, whole spices, bay leaves, cardamom pods, and cinnamon sticks, and of course ghee, or clarified butter, in a large non-stick pan. Add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Once it melts, add your whole spices, bay leaves, cardamom, cinnamon, and let them bloom for a few seconds. Now add in the date paste, poppy seed paste, raisin paste, and nut pastes. Stir well and cook for about 5 minutes. This step brings out that nutty aroma and rich base. Time to make it creamy. Pour in your pre-boiled milk and give it a gentle stir. Let it simmer on low heat and keep checking occasionally. Once everything is well combined, stir in the condensed milk. This adds just the right amount of sweetness and richness. In a smaller pan, heat a teaspoon of ghee and toast your chopped dried fruits and nuts: cashew nut, peanuts, raisins, pistachios, and date pieces. Just 1 minute until they're golden and aromatic. Add those into your creamy dessert and stir gently. Let it cook for a few more minutes on low heat until it thickens beautifully. Once it reaches a rich, creamy texture and the ghee begins to rise to the top, it's ready to serve. Pour into your favorite dish and garnish with extra chopped nuts. Serve it warm or chilled. Don't forget to tap like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves traditional sweet.